Hello, my name is Libario Barbour, and today we're gonna talk about the project in Comp 2152 Python, and we're gonna talk about the feature that I have implemented, the feature called the Treasure Hunter feature, and this we're gonna talk about what this feature is doing. So the purpose of this feature is that to add an interactive mini game where the player explores a grid map to find hidden treasure using limited moves and resources before the final battle. So the game starts like this. So first of all, the game starts by loading previous progress, noting that the last winner and the total monster killed so far. And then we have the first feature, which is choosing the class hero. And this feature I didn't implement it. This is not the feature that I want. And here the game starts, and you can see that it collects and there is a collect loot item. It's either flimsy gloves and key, which go into the inventory belt. And before the major event, the game automatically uses the first item collected, which is the flimsy gloves in here, which had no effect. The monster then received the random power up, and then we have the other feature, which is the random exploration. This is not my feature. And this is the feature that I've implemented, which is the treasure hunter. Here we enter the treasure hunter phase with the grid map showing the hidden treasure. We navigate using like up using north, south, east, west, and here we see the hero moved and until it got the first treasure, and then it got the second treasure. Upon finding the second treasure, we had no keys left because the health and the energy were sufficient, so it got successful. Then we exited the challenge, and then the core combat is turn based. Intuitive is rolled randomly each round, and then attacks reduce the opponent's health by the attacker's current combat strength. In this round, the monster attacks once, and the hero high combat strength is 21. And here we see the end of the game. And I'll show you now the merge. Here, if we see the git log, we see that after I added the feature, I merged it, and here is the commit after the merge. And here's the GitHub page. This is the game project repo, and this is the branch that I worked on. This is my name, and this is the commits to the main, and it shows that I did the merging internally, not a pull request, which is the same.
Hi, I'm Alisha Dikari, and the feature I implemented for our project is called Random Exploration Event. The purpose of this feature is to add surprise encounter like bandits, artifacts, or NPC before the final boss fight based on the player's stats like health or strength. Let me run the program and show you the feature that I implemented. So this is the feature that I implemented. As you can see here, right before the final fight, this event is triggered to check hero's current condition. In my case, I had high strength 23, so the game warned me I might attract bandits. The game checks condition like health or strength to decide what events are eligible. Everyone always has a chance to find an artifact, but since my strength was over 20, the game added NPC as the possible encounter. 23 and The NPC, he shared the portion with me, so it healed me 20 HP. So for me now the current status is 67, the strength is. This feature adds more fun and replayability to the game. You don't always know what you will encounter before the final battle, and that gives each game a unique twist. So now, as you can see, that I am on my GitHub, and the feature that you see here is done by me. So in our project, one of our friend created the main game and added me as collaborator on GitHub. I created a separate branch called feature, as you can see. Once I finished coding and testing my feature, I pushed the changes to my branches and created a pull request. After that, we reviewed and merged it into the main branch. This process helped us collaborate smoothly without this process helped us collaborate smoothly without interfering with each other's work. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kamal, and in this video I'm gonna show you a quick demonstration for the feature that I worked on for the Comp 2152 Groups project. My feature is called Hero Selection, which basically allows the player to choose between three types of heroes. So we have Warrior, a Mage, or an Archer. And through the game, the hero will gain experience points, which will unlock more abilities in the next rounds. So let's get started. So let's run the game. I'll make the terminal bigger. As you can see here, we can choose between these three different types of the heroes. So I'll choose a warrior, and I can give my warrior a name. I'll call her Mulan. And now we can enter the combat strength. I'll choose 1. And the monster combat strength, I'll put 22. And let's roll the dice to see our weapon. So I have a gun. And let's now roll for loot. I got the flimsy gloves. And I found another one. A health potion. That's awesome. So let's see the monster's magic power. He got the freeze time. Okay. Now we meet the monster. Let's start fighting. Let's see who's gonna strike first. I'll start. My weapon strength is 10 and the monster health points 10. So basically I killed the monster. And the player's name is my name. So I'm gonna call you KAB for short. Mulan gained 5 experience points, and Mulan has reached level 2, which unlocked the power warrior strike, and this you can use it in the next rounds. As you can see here, this is the main branch for the project, and this is my branch that I work on to add my feature. And if we go back to the main program, here you can see that my code is merged in the main application, or main branch, sorry. Thanks for watching and have a good day.